Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to run through the process for clinics to post a job on the site. So this is the clinic home. This is the page where you will load up to when you log in as a clinic. Very simply, there's a little post a job button here on the main screen, or you can also see up in the menu here the same icon. Click on one of those and that will take you through to the post a job page. So it'll show who you're signed in as in this case test clinic. Now, job listing duration is the first thing we need to set. We've got four options here. You can choose to make a listing that lasts for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months for permanent positions, or for locum shifts for just $49. You can list a locum shift on the site for 1 month, or a locum position. So this is useful for where you have a longer requirement for a locum in your clinic, say for a month or 2 or even up to 6 months. If you need a locum cover for that sort of length, rather than doing the instant booking process, you can make a locum job listing through this process here. Okay, so let's say we're going to do, as an example, a permanent position. I'm going to do a 6-month listing. Test small animal vet. Pop in the location. So the suburb and postcode, and then the job type here. Full-time position is the default. If you click on the little drop-down arrow here, you'll see you can choose multiple types of job if you want. So let's say, for example, you were open to a permanent or a full-time or a part-time position, then you could list both of those. Let's say in this case we're going to do that. Click out of there. Job category. Now this allows you to specify whether it's a nurse job, reception job, or whether if it's a veterinarian job, whether it's in a clinical context, industry, or research and education. So in this context we'd say clinical. And again, you can choose multiple categories if you so desire. Next is job description. So here, obviously, a detailed description of the position that you're looking to fill. I've just made a little bit of stuff up already. I'm going to paste in there. You can bold type if you want. So if we wanted the title in bold, italics, you can do dot points, numbers. You can insert links to your website. Let's say that you have the job listed on your own clinic website. You may wish to put a link to it in there as well, or to any other information that you so desire. And prerequisites. This is, you don't have to put this in, but if you have some prerequisites for applicants, then you can pop that in here as well. Minimum experience required. Again, this is optional. Hours per week. Let's say 38. Salary, again, this is optional. You could say put a range if you want. Application email, very important. This will pre-populate from your profile, but just make sure if there's a different email address that you would prefer to have applicants send through their applications to, pop that in here. Now your clinic or company name should also default into this area here. Contact person, if it's not you, specify who that person is, and the application instructions. Now this just may be email, application address, or whatever. Now your logo, this may pre-populate if you've already set something up, or you can choose a file and upload it as well. So next we click on preview, and we're going to see how the job listing will appear. Okay, so you can see it's got full-time position and part-time position listed, all of those details that we've entered, the job description, our prerequisites. All right, make sure that all these details are correct. And if we're happy, then we can click submit listing. Okay, and that's all done. So you'll see job listing successfully listed. To view the listing, click here. So this is how it will appear. Now just quickly show you down the bottom here. If you want to share this job via your other social media and things, you can do so here. So if you want to share it to your company Facebook page, Twitter, you can share it through LinkedIn. Sometimes that can be a good avenue to list positions as well. You can do that all through here. Now if you decided you wanted to make some changes to the job down the track, you want to do that through the job dashboard. So click here on job dashboard up in our menu. And here we will see all of the job listings that we have active. Okay, so test small animal vet. If we wanted to edit it, just click on edit, and you can go through and change any of these details as you so desire. Okay, if I just click back on there again, once you have actually filled the job, you can mark it as filled. Okay, and that will mean that it's no longer searchable under the site. That's it. Pretty straightforward. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on hello@vetwork.com.au. Thanks very much.